If in urban planning, with parking spaces and garages being replaced by green spaces and parks. Additionally, with self-driving cars, public transportation could be redesigned, with smaller vehicles. Replacing large buses and trains. 8. Job disruption. While the impact of self-driving cars on the transportation industry is generally positive, there will be job disruption. The transportation industry is a significant employer, and as self-driving cars become more prevalent, many jobs will be lost. However, there will also be a demand for new jobs, including software engineers, data analysts, and cybersecurity experts. 9. Data collection and privacy concerns. Self-driving cars will generate a tremendous amount of data about their surroundings, including road conditions, traffic patterns, and other vehicles. This data could be used to improve the performance of self-driving cars, but there are also concerns about data privacy. The data could be used for other purposes, such as advertising or surveillance, which could be a significant privacy concern. 10. Regulatory and legal challenges. The widespread adoption of self-driving cars will require regulatory and legal changes to ensure their safe and efficient use on the roads. Governments around the world are already working on developing guidelines and regulations to govern the use of self-driving cars. However, there are still many challenges to overcome, such as liability in accidents and insurance coverage for self-driving cars. These challenges will need to be addressed to ensure the smooth integration of self-driving cars into our transportation system. 11. Public perception and trust. The success of self-driving cars on the roads will depend on public perception and trust. While there are many potential benefits to self-driving cars, some people are still skeptical about their safety and reliability. It will be essential for manufacturers and governments to educate the public about the technology and its benefits. Transparent communication about the capabilities and limitations of self-driving cars will be necessary to build trust and acceptance among the general public. 12. Infrastructure challenges. The widespread adoption of self-driving cars will also require significant infrastructure changes to support the technology. For example, roads will need to be equipped with sensors and communication technology to allow self-driving cars to navigate safely. Additionally, charging stations for electric self-driving cars will need to be more widely available. These infrastructure challenges will require significant investment and planning to ensure a smooth transition to self-driving cars. 13. Cybersecurity risks. Self-driving cars are vulnerable to cybersecurity risks, such as hacking and malware attacks. A successful cyberattack on a self-driving car could put passengers and other road users at risk. Additionally, the data collected by self-driving cars could also be vulnerable to cyberattacks. As self-driving cars become more prevalent, cybersecurity measures will need to be strengthened to ensure the safety and security of the technology. 14. Impact on traditional automotive industry. The adoption of self-driving cars will have a significant impact on the traditional automotive industry. With the increased focus on safety and efficiency, traditional car manufacturers will need to adapt and innovate to remain competitive. 15. Potential for increased traffic. While self-driving cars have the potential to reduce traffic congestion, there is also a risk of increased traffic due to increased vehicle ownership and usage. Self-driving cars could make car ownership more affordable and accessible, leading to increased car usage and potentially more traffic on the roads. Therefore, it will be essential to manage the growth of self-driving cars to ensure that